I'm Heather.
I'm Molly.
This is my roommate. I'm now back at home now that baby Jerry is back home and we are quarantined in our respective homes. We've decided that we're going to exchange skills. Molly is going to start off by teaching me how to make a drink, and then I'm going to teach her how to do some art.
So we figured that we'd start with the drinks so we get a nice little social lubricant and I can get a little more creative. Today we're going to be making a standard margarita, which is tequila, an orange liqueur, lime juice, lemon juice, simple syrup, and then I like a little effervescence, so we're topping it off with a bit of club soda. So your basic stuff that you're going to want to utilize in making this is going to be a shaker tin, a little jigger, and I have preloaded my shaker with some ice. Start off with tequila. I have an añejo, but you can use anything that you have on hand, as long as it's tequila. And in this household, we like our drinks a little stiff, so we're going to do 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of orange liqueur, and then we're going to make basically what equates to sour mix. That's what it's called. A sour mix, which is ½ ounce of lime and ½ ounce of lemon, then ½ ounce of simple syrup, which is just equal parts water and sugar. You can put it in a little container and it'll stay good for 2 weeks, but if you're making cocktails at home on a pretty regular basis, I do recommend having on hand. Then you put together your shaker, give it a good shake, and then it's ready to go whenever your shaker is frosted up as such. Then we're going to pour it into the glass, add your effervescence, basically just fill to the top of whatever glass you're in. If you want it a little less bubbly, of course do a little less. You should be good to go.
Silicone straw.
And that is your margarita.
And now we're ready to do art. Okay, so now we are ready for the art portion of whatever this is. We're just gonna keep on with the theme and smush some paint because why not?
Yeah, seems easy enough.
So we have the Creative Inspirations 10 colors. And we're also gonna try using the DaVinci Pro panels. And we'll do a smoosh on one of these with another panel. We're gonna play around with the FX brushes, which are kind of cool, and the FX palette knife. So you ready to smoosh some paint?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, so let's do this. We've picked out our colors. Would you like to have the honors of first go round?
Absolutely. So I'm going to first put this orange color down, and I think we'll just put something there.
And I go in with some blue.
And then I'm gonna do some pink.
I was gonna do green, but I'm feeling more yellow.
Been into yellow myself lately.
I'm good with that.
Yeah.
You good with that? So now take our second panel. We're just going to place it directly over the first one. You ready for this?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, panels stick together more than paper. All right. So now we have our 2 panels, and I think we're going to each take a panel and then paint into it or play around with the effects brushes and palette knives, and we'll see what we come up with. So I have the first panel, and I'm going to mess around with this panel using the effects brushes, and we'll see what I come up with.
All right, so Heather finished hers, and I am going to work on mine. I'm using the FX Effects palette knives, so it's going to be a little different, I think, than her technique with the brushes. And I really don't have any idea what I'm doing, so that's, I think, going to be the exciting part. This one looks fun.
How did you like your first Smoosh?
It was pretty fun, actually.
I had a good time too. These are our finished pieces. It was a good time.
Yeah, I think it's cool to see like how we were able to take almost identical things and make something different out of it.
Yeah. Have fun with it. That's the whole point. And we'll see you next time.